Oh, I've just got home from work in beautiful sunny Taupo, New Zealand. My crappy camera. And here's my little puss today. Hey? It's Monday. 30th, isn't it? Yes. How are you today, mate? My little buddy here's got cancer in his mouth. So his days are numbered. But you are still looking good, mate. Hey, my old bud. He's 17. Oh yes. Oh yes. We'll just have a little rub. Hey. Yes. You still love that, don't you? Hey. Maybe the light's better there. Well, he doesn't look like he's actually feeling much pain. It's just that nasty thing in his mouth, which is, oh yes. Hey. 17 years of pleasure he's given us. My dad first and now me. Oh, don't you just love the little furry things? I do. You beautiful big boy. Hey. You are. You're my friend and always there, of course, mealtime, but always there anyway. Yeah, yes, and you like to talk? Yes. I'll miss our little talks in the morning. People think you're nuts, you know, but cats do talk to you. There you go. Yes. Oh. Oh, well, you go for a wee walk. After all, you own the place. Here's my big Kowhai tree. Isn't that a beauty? My dad planted that in 1969, so. Okay, buddy, I think I'm running out of vid.